Hello, seventh grade, and welcome to class. I know it's a little different. I'm not here, so I want to give a big shout out to the substitute. Thank you so much for being able to help me out. I really do appreciate it. I want to let you know right off the bat that you don't have to worry about the Zoom. I already took care of those students, so all you have to do is watch these students in here, which they aren't bad. So I do appreciate your help. Thank you very much. If you do have any issues, please write it down on the notes so that I can deal with it whenever I come back. Um, but these students should be fine. They're good. So to the students, welcome back. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have had a good day so far. Please open your textbooks to page 141. You'll notice page 141. This is our work that we're doing today in class. Page 141, 1 through 33, the odds. So please make sure that you write this down. If you do not complete this in class, it will be your homework, okay? So it is on RenWeb, but please make sure that you do as much as you can in class, if not all of it. If you are not working in class, then the substitute will write your name down and I will give you the evens to do, and those will be due. So do not fall behind. Do what I ask you. Page 141, 1 through 33, the odds. Now, move myself over here. So on page 141, you'll notice I want you to do 1 through 33. You're going to use some of the different skills that we've learned. Here's your just listing factors. Please make sure you know what factors are. Here we did an exercise like this. You're going to use division. Look at some of their examples problems. Here you're going to list if, well, we're doing 8 and 10. So you're going to list if this number divisible by 2. If it is, then write 2. If it's divisible by 2 and 3, you're going to write 2, 3. If it's divisible by both or all, 2, 3, 4, and let's say 8, then you're going to write 2, 3, 4, 8. So just list whichever numbers that this number is divisible by. Same thing with number 10 as well. Number 11 and 12, I'm sorry, just 12, you're going to write which of these is composite. 13, yeah, I'm sorry, I was looking at the evens. No, you guys are doing odds. Let's back up. So here you're doing 1 and 3, you have 5. Here we're doing 7 and 8. So you're looking at these numbers to see how many, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10 is divisible into number 7 and 9. And then we have 11, 13, and 15, you're saying prime or composite. Here we're doing prime factorization using exponents. So you're going to use either factor tree or the latter, whichever one you choose. And then 20, I'll scroll up, 21, 23, and 25, you're going to find greatest common factor. Here you're going to have to review relatively prime. Remember, this is just a greatest common factor of 1. So you're going to have to pick a number. So hope you guys do well with that. You only have to answer one, number 27. And then you have 29, 31, and 33 that you were finding the least common multiple of these numbers. So if you have any questions, please circle that number so that we can review it on Monday, because I will be back with you guys on Monday. Monday is a review day. Tuesday is a review day. Our test is Wednesday. Our test is Wednesday, the 30th. So I hope you guys are preparing for that. That's the whole purpose of this exercise today. So again, make notes of any questions that you have. Complete 1 through 33, the odds. If you don't complete it in class, that is your homework for tonight. If you do complete it in class, then you may work on something else. But if you're a distraction, again, I'm going to give you that extra work to do. But please do your very best. We'll talk over all these questions on Monday. I will see you guys on Monday. Have an awesome rest of class and an awesome weekend.